Chuck's about to fly his Piper Pawnee.
No, it's a Cessna 182.
Oh, Cessna 182. Just looks like a Piper.
I don't know which way the wind's blowing. I'm not...
It's coming from the right. Yeah, you're going the right way.
Something ain't right.
Looks weak.
Yeah, the CG. I screwed
Yeah, and move that battery forward.
The battery needs to be pulled forward. The tail looks like it's lagging.
Yeah, looks like it's just sagging. Keep your speed up. If you go too slow, those tail heavies, it'll drop a wing on you.
I may pass this thing off to you or something in a minute because this is...
They're not acting right.
No. Yeah, something ain't right. Bring her in. Well, can't be overshooting like that.
What's that?
Well, I didn't.
What's that?
Well, I didn't mean to do that. God, dog.
Dang it.
I'm putting my stuff up and going to the house.
Oh, man.